Okay, so you know how, if you did know, that the slime, when we made it, I couldn't actually take it out of the cup, itself. Couldn't take it out of the cup. So today I added more detergent, and I finally got it to become like, slime, like usual, like ordinary slime that you would get at the store that really sticks to you a lot. Yes, a lot. So, I just wanted to let you know that. That's why I called you, or that's why I FaceTimed you, I guess. So, just gonna show Charlotte. Okay. Say hi to Daddy, Charlotte. Mwah. So, okay, my phone just fell down. Okay. The last video that I took it and I deleted it since I didn't really like it, and my phone fell right where the slime was, and it just got all over the Mets case. But since it doesn't really stick to that many objects, it just sticks to like stuff with cloth, like this, like the curtain, like that. I was able to get it off the case. But yeah, as I said earlier, that's why I called you. So I'm gonna get all the slime that I just had. So, bye!